Little Angel Reader.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader. Hi, Max. Wait, it's dark.
Look,
there you are.
Look, I have a mask with a Spider-Man.
Yeah, you have a mask, but it's not here.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now? You don't want to sleep, even though it's late. What do you want to do instead, Max? Look what I have here. Lesson 99. Are you sure you want to read Lesson 99?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look, there's a circle on the wall. I will make it smaller and bigger, smaller.
Hey.
Oh, hi there.
I'm a crocodile.
Wow, you're a crocodile. I love it. Ooh, opening and closing his jaws. Wow. Max, beautiful crocodile. All right, you ready? Max, the story today will be about a tiger hunting for tigers. Okay, come move closer over here. All right, Max, are you ready? Lesson 99, see the number? Okay, read the first word. Do you guys see the first word? Oh, wait, I see shadows everywhere. What did we do? What did we do last time? This way? Yeah. Let me hold the book like this. Oh, that's better. Okay, that's perfect.
What is
Huh. Huh.
huh?
No, what word?
Here.
Here. Don't draw anything
Here.
because you have a pen, Max, okay?
Here.
Here.
Near.
Near.
Take.
Take. Well done.
Shot.
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 Blam.
Blam.
Where's Blam?
Blam.
Where's Blam?
Blam. Tiger.
Yeah, Blam and tiger.
Tiger. Mouse.
Mouse. Touch the word. Touch the word that you read, okay? Yeah, maybe with it.
Stop.
Stopped.
Stopped.
And the last word is?
Picked.
Picked, that's right. Well done. Let's turn the page. Will you help me turn the page? Max, help me turn the page because I'm holding the camera and I'm holding everything. Okay, let's move that story. Okay, part 1. I see part 1 already. Do you guys see the words? Not really, right? Max, help me do something. Do something. Okay.
Tigers.
No, wait.
Hunting for tigers. Part 1.
Can you hold the flashlight? Get the flashlight, Max. You don't need the pen. Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. I'll hold the book like this. Yeah, perfect. Read the title again.
Hunting for tigers.
Wait. Hold it like this, okay?
Part 1.
Okay. Can you touch the words while you read?
The old man said, I need
Just a minute, Max. I can't see the words.
a
Just a minute.
tiger coat. So I will hunt for
For a...
a tiger.
Just wait, I can't. Max,
Tiger.
can you move the flashlight a little bit? No, down, down, down. Yeah, that's perfect. No, up. What up? Yeah, that's perfect. The old man said, I need a tiger coat, so I will hunt for a tiger. Oh, there's a circle letter A, right? That it means we have a question here, right, Max? Okay, why did the old man want to hunt for a tiger? Did you understand? What did he need? A tiger?
A tiger coat.
Coat. Okay, keep reading. Right there. The girl. Yeah, right there.
The girl said, but You cannot see.
But you cannot see, the girl said. How?
How can you
Down, down, down.
hunt for tigers?
For a...
A tiger.
So what did the girl say? But you cannot
Not
see. How can you hunt for a tiger? Why didn't the girl think the old man should hunt for tigers? Why? Why not? Because he could not...
Not
What?
see.
See, okay. Put the flashlight down a little bit. Point it down. Up, okay. Yeah, right there. No, down. Go down. One line down. Yeah.
The old man
Move the flashlight down, Max. Point it down. Yeah, try it like this. Oh,
The old man said,
man.
I can hear
Here, I can hear.
tigers make sounds.
Sounds perfect.
I will hear those sounds
I can't see the words, honey. I need the flashlight.
and take a shot.
Okay, so he said, I can hear tigers make sounds. I will hear those sounds and take a shot. Whoa.
No.
The girl up. There. No, down. There. The girl. Yeah, that girl.
The girl said, the
Flashlight down, Max. Flashlight. Point it down. Yeah. Perfect. Now.
The girl said, the shot may
miss.
miss.
You may miss. The shot may miss. Okay, keep reading.
No. The old man said, when
when I
hear something, I
will take
a good shot.
Okay, circle letter C. Do you think the old man's plan will work? What do you think? Will his plan work? Max, that's a question. There's circle letter C. Max, it's dark. We can't see anything. We need the light. Now it's too light. Yeah, that's perfect. So, fine.
So the man went out
with
his gun.
Can you point the flashlight a little bit down?
He did not see
well. Where's well? Up here.
Well.
Max, the light. We need the light, honey.
The
Now it's too much light. So he fell over
the log.
a log. So he fell over a log. Poor man. Then
He
we need the light, honey. We need the light. It's too much light now. Point it down a little bit. Yeah. Fell over
the rock.
So first he fell over a log, then he fell over a rock.
That's so funny.
Poor man. Think it's funny? Poor man.
Then he walked up a hill. Then
When?
when
Just
he
a minute.
got to the
Top.
he
What did he do?
started
Wait. Hold the flashlight like this. No, put the flashlight down a little bit. That's too much light. Oh, it's hard, Max. It's hard to read in the dark. Yeah, stopped.
Stop.
I see the word stop now. Then he stopped.
I hear something
Mm-hmm.
He said,
I hear something he said.
have found a tiger. The man did hear
The man did hear the
sound of a tiger. It was a big tiger, and it was very near.
I can't see, Max. I need the light. Okay.
The old man picked up his gun.
Blam! Okay, what was the blam sound? Max, what was it? What does it mean? Blam! Did he shoot?
No.
Yes, he shot.
Yeah.
That's the sound of shooting. Yeah, blam! Okay, keep reading.
The shot did not hit the tiger.
The light. We need the light.
It hit the
Nut.
then
In
a tree.
Hit a nut in a tree.
That's so funny.
So funny, yeah.
The nut fell down
No, it fell on.
a mouse.
The nut fell on a mouse.
The mouse yelled, "Stop
Heating. Stop heating.
me with nuts."
Wait, circle letter E, Max. I need to ask you a question. What did the shot hit? What did the nut fall on? The shot hit a nut, yes?
Nut.
And what did the nut fall on?
A tree.
A tree? The nut fell on a mouse. And what did the mouse say?
Stop
Hitting me with nuts.
This is not the end.
Okay, Max, we read Hunting for Tigers Part 1.
Why is that the end?
Because it's Part 1, see? We will read the end tomorrow, okay? And find out the rest of the story about the old man, the gun, the tiger.
Where is the picture?
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry, I forgot about the picture. There, let's look at the picture. Whoa. So, do you guys see the picture? Look at the picture. Is the old man pointing his gun at the tiger?
No.
No. What did the old man shoot?
Into the acorn.
What did he shoot? He shot the nut. Yeah, the acorn. Yeah, you're right. It's an acorn. Follow that nut down and see what it will hit. What will it hit? If you follow the nut down. The
mouse.
The mouse. How will that mouse feel when it gets hit with a big nut? Happy? Or frustrated? Will the mouse be happy? I don't think so. Angry maybe. And where's the tiger, Max? Behind the man. And the man does not see very well, yeah?
Yeah.
He shot and he hit the nut, the acorn, which fell on the mouse. And the mouse said, "Stop hitting me with nuts." That's the end of Part 1. We have to write S and R, but we can't write anything right now. It's too late and it's too dark. So let's go to sleep. Okay,
Let's
Max.
write.
Let's write. Here, move over here. Yeah, move over there. Quickly. Did you like the story?
Yes.
I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Max, it's lesson 99. This is the book. Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons.
Look,
And we
I
did
have
lesson.
a frog.
Show me a frog. Oh, I can't see. Give me the flashlight so we can see. There's Froggy. Max, and tomorrow we will finish, or maybe the day after tomorrow, we will finish the 100 lessons. All of them, 100 lessons. Wow. You're such a good reader.
But we read them all.
Yeah, one more lesson left, the last lesson. We read lesson 99 today, so there's one more lesson left.
But I want in this day.
Today? Tonight? No, we can't. It's too late. Okay, baby, let's go to sleep. Okay, remember that rhyme? Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. And if they bite, squeeze them. And the next night?
Bite.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, lie down, honey. Good night.
There is my bed bugs in the
Are there
bed.
any bed bugs in your bed? No, there are no bed bugs. It's just a rhyme. Here you are. Good night, honey. Sorry. Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
You're such a good reader, Max. I love you. You're such a good reader. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons. If you want to help our channel financially, please use the link in the video description. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.